This mini-split air conditioner offers robust performance and durable quality, whether it's your bedroom, living room, or commercial spaces like stores and restaurants, all wrapped up in an aesthetically pleasing design. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Mini Split AC works with Alexa. Experience seamless voice or app control to operate your mini split air conditioner from any location. Customize routines to adjust temperatures while you're away and savor energy savings of up to 40%. Number 2. Ultra-efficient mini split AC heating system. This Energy Star certified mini split AC or heating system utilizes a 208 to 230 volts direct current inverter for optimal efficiency. UL listed in Air Conditioning, Heating, and Refrigeration Institute Certified deliver dependable cooling and heating even in extreme conditions up to -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 30 degrees Celsius. Number 3. Comprehensive mini split system. Your mini split AC or heating system has an indoor air handler, outdoor condenser, and a 16-feet line set and communication wire. Note: professional installation is required. This is not a DIY mini split AC. Number 4. 10-year warranty. Your investment is safeguarded with an industry-leading 10-year manufacturer's warranty. Enjoy 5 years of parts replacement and 10 years on the compressor. It was brought to you by Senville, a name synonymous with quality and durability. Number 5. Cozy heating. Stay cozy all winter long with the state-of-the-art heat pump system. Powered by unmatched technology, it delivers consistent and cozy warmth for ultimate winter comfort. Number 6. Multi-directional swing. Transform your airflow experience with the innovative swing function, simultaneously delivering vertical and horizontal airflow. Number 7. Intelligent thermostat. Detects surrounding temperature and automatically adjusts for the perfect climate control. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you the most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.